presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that, ma'am?
I do.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead to this charge?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
I am, sir.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
December 29th, 2022, at the location of 7000 East Michigan Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do at the Walmart that makes you think that you're guilty?
At that time, I was going through a patch in life. I went inside the Walmart and I put some miscellaneous items inside of my purse. At the time, I felt like that was the only thing I could have did, but now I know that obviously that's not the way to go, and there's a better way about going about things. So I promise to never do that again. So.
Okay. So you put things in your purse, right?
Yeah, I did.
And tried to walk out without paying for them.
I did.
You seem like an intelligent young lady. Why'd you do that?
I'm a college student and I'm trying to get my bachelor's and master's at the same time. And my parents can't really help me do stuff. So I've been pretty much doing everything by myself since I've been 17 years old. So it's kind of been hard to do. And at the time, I didn't have any money and I needed like things like clothes that could fit and deodorant, stuff like that. So I took it. And I know obviously that's not the way to go. So.
Young lady, what are you getting your degrees in?
Occupational therapy.
And you're doing a bachelor's and master's?
At the same time with the communication degree as well. And I'm a caregiver at a dementia home as well.
You know something? I usually during these pleas don't ask why somebody did something, but something told me to ask about you. I don't know what that was.
Yeah.
Store was open to the public at the time. You all right?
Yeah.
Why you just say yeah? What's wrong?
I just don't want this to ruin my future.
Okay, hold up. Hold on a minute. So let me see. Well, let me get all the facts of the plea and then I'll talk to you a second. But store was open to the public at the time, right?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to do this, did you?
No.
And these items that you took, these were items that were offered for sale by Walmart?
Yes.
All right, look, young lady. Said you've been doing this since you're 17. Don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I'm 22.
And so you ran into a rough patch, didn't have money, right?
Yes.
How close are you to graduating?
One class from applying to my my program, my occupational therapy program, and then I have 2 years left. And I'll have all 3 of my degrees.
So one wasn't good enough. You got to get 3.
Yeah.
Is that it?
I was doing nursing at first, and then I changed into occupational therapy because I felt like it was better to get both degrees at once. And I just so happened to have to add a minor degree as well, so I did that too. And I only have 2 classes left of that as well.
So you think maybe sort of everything that you've been working for is just going to be over because of this, right?
You know, but it would make it hard to go where I need to go if this is going on, and if I kept that mindset. But not, like I said, since this is going on, I realized that I need to change my mindset on things. So I spent this time trying to change my mindset and realize that I don't have to do everything by myself, so I just need to do better.
What a concept, right?
Mhm.
You can reach out to people, right?
Yes.
And sometimes it might be okay to just say, at this moment, can you help me out? Because I don't have.
Yeah.
I have a feeling, just because of the way that you're going after your degrees and kind of how you're going through life, there's one thing that stops you from doing that, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
Get in trouble, I guess.
Well, it's your pride. Your pride stops you from asking people to help you. All right, so look. Someday, it shouldn't stop you, okay? Because here's what my feeling, and again, I don't know why I decided to talk to you of all people today, but someday somebody will help you do something. That person may not ask for anything in return. The important thing you take from that is that based upon the way you are, because you're going places, young lady, I know it. I could just hear it in your voice and in terms of what you're doing. But someday somebody's going to need help.
Yeah.
And they're going to ask you. And so the important lesson you take is not that you took help at some point from somebody, but that you then gave to somebody else.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So my belief is this is not going to ruin your life. It's all not over. I have a feeling that you have probably in your long 21 years of existence on this planet made a mistake or two, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of them. And we're going to get you through it. Okay?
Yes. Thank you. I appreciate you stopping to talk to me because I know you don't have to do that. So I appreciate it.
I don't have to do it.
You don't have
Well,
to.
you may be right. I don't have to.
It's not a part of your
But
job what you did. So I appreciate it.
young lady, you're welcome. And the only thing that I ask that you do, to the extent you think it was something I didn't have to do or didn't whatever, is that you go forth and you just be the greatest that you can be. That's all I'm going to ask in return. And don't you cry about anything. Okay?
Thank you.
You said one other thing. Your parents aren't there to help you out or can't, right?
Yeah. They just got a lot of kids.
Pardon?
I said they just got a lot of kids.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm the one that's out the house. So I get the shit in the stick sometimes.
Despite how many they had, if you said at that one moment I didn't have, they probably would have done something for you.
Yeah, they told me they would. They told me
Yeah.
this thing I could have did. So
And so that's where your pride got in your way again.
yeah.
Okay. Don't let it, because I have a feeling And I know that I'd feel that way because I got one, she's a little older than you, that I'm just proud as heck of. She's going through her education and everything else. And I know that they're proud of you. All right?
Yes.
All right, young lady. I'm referring her to probation for PSI consideration of HIDA. Sentencing in this matter will be June 14th, 2000. That doesn't interfere with any class, does it?
June
She's smart. She in school and everything.
June 14th. Do have class, but no, June 14th, I'm okay. I only have class on Tuesdays in the summer.
Okay. During this, geez, oh, Pete. June 14th, 2023, 9 a.m. All right, young lady.
Okay.
So here's what we're going to do. I'll put you into a breakout room with my probation department so they can get some information, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Miss Polera?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Davis Whitaker, do me a favor.
Yes.
Not that you shouldn't take care of all of the people you send there. You heard us talk.
I did.
This one's special for me. Take care of her.
I certainly will, Judge.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Well,
This is it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. What'd you say, ma'am?
I'm sorry. Would you like me to bring her back?
No. What did she want?
I'm not sure.
I am
Your Honor?
Teresa and see. Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I have Kira Kern Wagner with me, reporting, and she wanted to let you know that she is going to be 90 days clean tomorrow.
Today.
Or I'm sorry, today. Over here.
Where is she? Where?
She's coming.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. 90 days.
And I also, I almost passed one of my GED practice tests. I got 139, the passing is 145, but I haven't been in school in 5 years, so. Yeah.
Oh my
Congratulations.
goodness. Look at you. There was a point at which you thought you couldn't do anything, right?
Yeah, many times I thought that.
Yeah.
She was
But
afraid, Judge, that
everybody here kept telling you could, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We
And
are
also-
never. Go
Sorry.
ahead.
I also got myself a laptop. It was like, yeah, it was a lot, but I got it for school. So I'm making progress. And I got a job, by the way.
All
You're doing all
right.
the things.
Listen, look at you.
Yeah.
Look at you. 90 days.
Yeah. It sometimes doesn't feel real, but smoking for that many years, I'm just proud of myself right now.
And you should be. And guess what? We're all proud of you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. We really are.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
she took you
There might be
serious,
some
Judge.
tough times there, but you know you got people here you can reach out to, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she took you serious, Judge. She knew that you were gonna be checking up on her, making sure that she made it to the school. So she got to the school and is doing what she's supposed to do.
But how?
I did check. She was there.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a good-
All right. Take care. Yes, he's back.
The court conducted a plea hearing for a 21-year college student who admitted to committing retail fraud at a Walmart on December 29, 2022. The judge first confirmed that she understood all of her constitutional rights, including the presumption of innocence, the right to trial, and her right to appeal. She confirmed that no one threatened or coerced her, and that her plea was voluntary because she acknowledged committing the offense. She then described the incident, explaining that she placed several items into her purse and attempted to leave the store without paying. She stated this happened during a difficult period when she was financially struggling while supporting herself completely on her own. She also explained that she was working as a caregiver in a dementia home while simultaneously pursuing a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, and a minor in communications, and unusually heavy academic load that added pressure and stress. The judge questioned her further, emphasizing that she is clearly intelligent and capable, and that her poor decision stemmed from hardship rather than criminal intent. He discussed how her pride and reluctance to ask for help contributed to her situation, advising her that she does not need to face everything alone. He reassured her that this single mistake would not ruin her future, reminding her that everyone makes bad choices at some point, and encouraged her to use this experience to become stronger and to seek support when needed. The judge expressed confidence that she is going places, stressing that accepting help now will someday allow her to help others. After confirming the factual basis for the plea, the judge accepted it and referred her to probation for a full presentence investigation and for HYTA consideration, which could potentially keep the conviction off her permanent adult record. Sentencing was scheduled for June 14, 2023. Before ending the hearing, the judge instructed the probation department to take special care with her case due to her promise and determination. Later in the session, another participant appeared to celebrate 90 days of sobriety and academic progress, which the judge praised, reinforcing the courtroom's focus on rehabilitation, accountability, and the belief that people can change for the better. For more information, like and subscribe my channel.